This time on KEI Fabrication.
Hey folks, I just wanted to, teach everybody a lesson. I was out here doing some yard work.
Hide all the women and children. Hide all the women and children. Hide all the women and children. All the grinding's done. Time to clean the garage. This is the Ford Explorer in a 2001 that I purchased. Found it on Craigslist. Well folks, I just came back from the scrapyard. So I ran up to the scrapyard and we're up here at the junkyard. Well, we're back in the junkyard.
Hey folks, I just wanted to, teach everybody a lesson. I was out here doing some yard work around this cap that I planned on using for drag week, and I was only using a weed whacker and it kicked a rock through this side window. So I just created more work for myself. Probably throw a piece of plexiglass in there for as long as we need it. So anyway, I guess the lesson is, if you're getting ready for drag week, don't do yard work. Well folks, here's lesson number 2. I was trying to do some more yard work and I wanted to jump start the lawn tractor using the backhoe, and as soon as I opened the hood I got stung in the forehead twice by yellow jackets. And if you look behind the battery here, as soon as I opened the hood I disturbed the nest. So anyway, lesson number 2, when you're trying to get ready for drag week, don't do yard work.
Next time on KEI Fabrication.
Well folks, today may be the last day that you see it with stock front wheels.